Hi guys, so today I'm going to let you know about energy vampires. Please don't get caught up with the word vampire. I'm talking to you about normal people who tend to be more on the negative side. So who are these energy vampires? Energy vampires are also called psychic vampires. They are people who drain your energy, make you feel really exhausted and tired. They are low in energy and they get irritated very easily, especially when they are around you. A lot of these people actually don't mean any harm. Their energy is so low and negative that when they are in your company, they just feed off your energy so much that you may feel drained and overwhelmed. You can find them actually anywhere. A lot of times they are someone close to you, can be a family member, can be friends, can be neighbors, anyone. So here are some signs that can alert you if you are around an energy vampire. They are often charismatic and can talk charmingly. When there is a problem, they are smart enough to pin the blame on other person. They are the type who can keep talking on and on and on. That itself can tire you. But when they have a problem, they don't give you that space to voice your opinion. You just end up just nodding to whatever they have to say. These folks have only bad or negative things to say about others. They don't have anything nice to comment about people, and you'll find them to be very judgmental, hateful, loaded with very negative comments. They cannot accept another person's accomplishment and always has a negative comment about it. For example, if someone gets an award, this person would say something like, I'm sure she bribed her way through to get this award or something like that. So they never accept somebody for their goodness, for their greatness, for their achievements. You can be the most fun-loving person on earth, but for some reason in the company of certain people, do you feel so drained, extremely tired, and sometimes even sleepy? Then you know that you are in the wrong company. You don't even understand why this is happening to you. And they are always involved in some kind of drama. You will find that something is always wrong for them. They love to play the victim card. You'll find them to have a very negative attitude about life itself. They always have this kind of comment like life is hell, life on earth is not worth living. Those kind of very negative attitude towards life in general. They are really big complaint masters. They whine about the smallest thing and make it sound like as though it's a big problem. Their energy can be so draining that sometimes you feel like you have a mental fog. You just cannot think straight in their company. They can be very dominating. They love to have control over people. It's like they should always have the last word. And if I talk about my success, they will butt in and override me and start talking about their success story or change the topic in such a way that the whole attention is taken completely away from me. They often make you feel guilty, like how can you celebrate when I am sad? They love to criticize and sometimes bully people also. So how can you protect yourself from such a person, such an energy vampire? First thing, like I've always told in all my previous videos, please do ground yourself. You have to ground, and please do check my video on how to ground yourself, and drink lots of water. Water tends to drain out all the remove all the toxins that are built up in your body, so that is also very important. And Learn to establish boundaries with such people. If they are draining you, then reduce your time with them. Wear lots of crystals, especially the ones that protect you from negativity. Like all the black crystals are very good. You can also wear the master crystals like the rose quartz, amethyst, clear quartz. They are very good to protect you from such people. Have a salt water bath regularly, especially when you have been in the company of such a person. When you are back home, please do have a salt water bath. That will actually clear your aura from the negativity that you have absorbed from this person. Reiki healing helps a lot, so please do get a Reiki healing when you are exposed to such an energy. Use herbs like basil, rosemary and sage for protection. You can use the essential oils to remove energy and always stay positive. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you do understand who energy vampires are and how to protect yourself from them. Like I said earlier, not all of them mean harm, but they have somehow got into this habit of being very negative in their opinion. So I will not say avoid them completely, but know when to cut it off. And don't get too caught up with their drama. Just spend a few minutes with them and then step away so that you don't absorb too much of their energy. So guys, please do like this video. Do click the like button and do share it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon for further notifications. So until we meet again, do take care. Bye bye.